Hello guys, welcome back to our A&B Tech Bytes YouTube channel. In today we discuss how to create some amazing 3D animation rotating cards using only HTML and CSS. If you know our channel, please hit the subscribe button and join our A&B Tech Byte community. Let's not waste your time, let's get into the video. First of all, we create a folder, I'm named it as 3D cards. Now open our Visual Studio and open folder here and open our folder 3D cards. Select folder. As it open. Now create index.html page and style.css page also. Now we want images, so I have image folder, so I am copying here and paste it in the 3D cards. Just copied. I am pasting here. Now go back to our Visual Studio. If you observe here, our images are placed here. So now we can go coding. So I am taking HTML boilerplate. Now use the title name as 3D cards. Now we create a div tag with class name is card. Now I am creating a span tag. In middle in first span we give style minus. I am giving item semicolon 1. In the middle we have to put the image tag. So I am giving image tag here, image. I am giving source here. Now copy this one and place how many images you have. Now we have to link our CSS file, so we are using link tag. So I am linking CSS file to HTML. Yes guys, we successfully linked. Now we have to change our images, so I am changing here. Like I have 9 images, so I am changing. Now we have to also change the item numbers, because rotating we change the item numbers. Now successful HTML part is over. Now go to CSS. Firstly I'm adding universal, so I'm adding margin 0, adding 0, and box sizing border box. Now we create our body, so we need place our images in middle, so I am using display flex concept. So body, display flex, now justify content, center, align items, center, and take the minimum height of the page 100 VH, and I'm giving background color black. So background color black. Now we have to create the card section, so I'm using class name card. So it is position relative, and give the height 200 pixel, width 200 pixel and height 200 pixel, and transform style reserved 3D. Now we have to create our card span section. It is position absolute, top 0, left 0, and give width 100%, height 100%. Now transform origin center, transform style reserve 3D. Now we create another section, card span image section. So I'm using class name card span image. Here also same, you have to give position absolute, top 0, left 0. Now give width 100%, height 100%, border radius give 20 pixel, object fit cover, border 1 pixel, and solid, and give it white color. Our object fit cover. So now for animation purpose we use keyframes. So at the rate of keyframes, and give the name spin. For 0%, transform perspective to 1000 pixel, and give rotate y 0 degrees. Now 100%, you transform perspective 1000 pixel and rotate to y axis 360 degrees. Sorry, on 0 degrees we have to rotate y. Now change it here, rotate y 0 degrees. Yes, keyframes is completed. Now go to card section, and we have to give animate here, animation spin 20 seconds and linear, and give infinite. Now come down in card span section, we have to give transform, rotate y, now calci variable. In variable we have to give our items. I'm giving item into 45 degrees. Translate check, give 400 pixel. From shadow purpose we give WebKit box reflect below 0 pixel, linear gradient, transparent, again transparent, and black color. That's it, our CS part is completed. Now go to live. I'm pressing go to live. This is the output. Sorry guys, something is wrong. Yes, here 45 degrees. I just give 45 only. Just change it. Yes guys, this is the output of our 3D CSS animation.